Children, welcome back to geography class. In our previous video we discussed regarding the types of population. Okay, so we have seen densely populated regions, we have seen the moderately populated regions and sparsely populated regions. In today's video we'll be discussing regarding the overpopulation and underpopulation and their effect or the impact. Okay, so first, what is overpopulation? Overpopulation is a condition where the human population exceeds the carrying capacity of a region. Okay, so questions can be asked, what is overpopulation, or define overpopulation. So it's a condition where the human population exceeds the carrying capacity of a region. Okay, so that we call it as a overpopulation. The countries like China, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, and Ethiopia are some of the examples for overpopulated countries. What are the impact of the overpopulation? Some of the major causes of overpopulation are high birth rate, low death rate, poverty, illiteracy, and better medical facilities. So these are some of the causes for the overpopulation. Overpopulation has a serious economic socioeconomic impact. An overpopulated country is endowed with an abundance of human resources that ensures a regular supply of labor, both skilled and unskilled. So the human resource supplies or gives the skilled and the unskilled labors. Okay, however, there are many disadvantages of overpopulation. Let's see one by one. The first disadvantage is depletion on the natural resources like land, water, and forest. So the pressure of population on the natural resources like land, water, and forest will lead to the depletion or will lead to decrease of these natural resources. The second one is increase the level of population. So the excessive industrialization and urbanization will result in the increase of the pollution. Okay, so the pollutions like air pollution, water pollution, environmental pollution. Okay, so it is due to the increase of population, or it is due to the increase of industrialization and urbanization, which is a cause for the overpopulation. The third point is the cost of living is high. The cost of living is high. It is due to the expanding difference between demand and supply. Okay, so there is a extreme difference between the demand for a product and also the supply of the product. Okay, so due to this, all the products rate will be increasing. Okay, hence even the living condition or the living cost also will be increased. The next point is unemployment problem. Okay, overpopulation leads to increase in rate of unemployment, which further will result in the poverty and high crime rate. Okay, so the overpopulation leads to unemployment. Unemployment will lead to poverty and high crime rate. Okay, the last point is the health and sanitation conditions are poor. Okay, so cannot be given proper sanitation or proper health care to the people. Okay, so there will be a lack of health and sanitation. So these are considered as the disadvantage of the overpopulation. The next is underpopulation. Underpopulation is a condition where the population of a particular region is too small to fully utilize the available resources. Okay, so it is an opposite meaning of overpopulation. Okay, underpopulation is also characterized by a condition where the Available resources have the potential to sustain a large population without reducing the standard of living. Okay, so this is a positivity of underpopulation. The countries like Canada, Iceland, Romania, Bulgaria, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, and Georgia are examples of underpopulated countries. The impact of underpopulation. The causes of underpopulation are reduced fertility rate, large scale immigration, famine, war, and political conflict. So, due to all these reasons, there are underpopulation in these regions or in these countries. Okay, so the disadvantage of underpopulation is the lack of human resources that leads to labor shortage. Okay, so this is the only disadvantage of this underpopulation. They lack the human resources. Let's see what is the impact or the positivity or the advantage of the underpopulation. The first point is there is abundance of natural resources. Okay, so there is a abundance of natural resources that can be utilized. The second one is no pressure of population on the natural resources. Okay, so the population will not bring any depletion to the natural resources like land, water, or the forest. Okay, so there is no problem of depletion of the natural resources. The third one is pollution levels are low. Okay, so there is no pollutions or there is no problem of pollutions in the environment. The next is unemployment opportunities are readily available. So there is no problem of unemployment in the underpopulated countries. Thereby it reduces the crime rate. The next is social and infrastructural facilities such as housing and sanitation are easily available. Okay, so health and sanitations are maintained well in these underpopulated countries. Okay, so these are the advantages of underpopulation. Children, go through the video carefully. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Thank you.